Despite the efforts of their belligerent neighbors, the Jews were able to continue rebuilding their city. However, as they would soon find out, the biggest threats to their civilization would actually come from within. Settlers came to me with a problem. Israel's grown so large, they cried. Thus we've purchased corn for our children. Otherwise they would have died. We have mortgaged all our possessions. Corn is scarce because of drought. Some get loans to just pay their taxes. Sir, our cash will soon run out. Even though we're all the same people, some kids live in slavery. No, we can't just buy back our children. Others own our property. When I heard this, I became angry. I berated Israel's lords. Usurers, you're burdening people. Face the needy, starving horde. After Jews were safe from their slavers, now they're being bought again. How can you be selling your fellows? No one spoke, so on I went. This is wrong. You must serve Jehovah. Otherwise, our foes will jeer. Servants, brothers, let's stop our lending. All this sin must stop this year. Give back all the interest they paid you. Give back all their homes and lands. They replied they'll get them for nothing. We will follow your commands. To be sure, I called all the Levites. All the dukes would make a vow. They could not go back on their promise. No one could dismiss it now.